Good day, madam. Here's a short video to explain the use of association analysis in two of the application domains, which are manufacturing and medical. We are a group consisting of 4 members. I'm Emily, and I would like to start with an overview of KDD. KDD is an automatic extraction of non-obvious hidden knowledge from large volumes of data, which is from data to data mining to knowledge. First of all, the data is collected and integrated from all the different sources. Next, we select only those data which we think is useful for data mining. Then the target data goes through a process called data pre-processing. In these steps, noise and inconsistent data are removed. For data transformation, data is transformed into form appropriate for mining. Thus, the techniques to use to do this are smoothing, aggregation, normalization, and etc. Next is data mining. Intelligent methods are applied in order to extract data pattern. Then is pattern evaluation and knowledge presentation. Generally, these steps include visualization, transformation, removing redundant patterns from the patterns we generated. Association analysis enables you to identify items that have an affinity for each other. It is frequently used to analyze transactional data to identify items that often appear together in transaction. That's all from me. Thank you.
Morning, my name is Do Win, metric number 261761, and I'll be explaining association analysis in manufacturing. So a suitable use case for association analysis within the manufacturing industry often includes the market basket analysis. And by running an association analysis on the market basket transactions of the retailers, the analyst can obtain various relationships between the items that are frequently purchased by the customers. So an example, we have 3 item sets here, which are items that are bought by consumers. And by running the market basket transactions, the analyst will be able to identify the relationships between the items that are bought by the consumers here. So in this case, we can conclude that if a consumer buys nails, he or she will buy a hammer. And therefore, manufacturers will be able to use this kind of information to balance the quantity and type of items to manufacture based on this analysis. That'll be all from me. Thank you.
Good evening. My name is Yang Yunfan and my metric number is 257231. So today I'm going to introduce the association analysis in medical. So the use of association analysis in the medical industry, pre-process analysis and the record that help in discovering valuable information for the patient. Association rules analysis is a technique to uncover how items are associated to each other. Such uncovered association between items are called association rules. So when to mind association rules, for scenario, you are a doctor and the patient has a disease of high blood pressure, then the patient might have a heart attack at the same time. So what should you recommend to the patient next is important, and association rules are helpful in making your recommendation. So that's all for my presentation, and thank you.
I'm Yong Wei Jing, metric number 261482. Today I'll be explaining the example of association analysis in medical field. So in this table we consist data of 5 patients, which is patient A to F, and we have 4 diseases over here, which is high cholesterol, diabetes, high blood pressure, and heart attack. And each disease is a combination of 0 and 1, where 0 represent absent and 1 represent of present of it. So our group has using frequent pattern and association rules to calculate the percentage of the patient getting the disease. For an example, if the patient have high blood pressure and they are 66.67%, that this patient will also have diabetes and heart attack. This is the calculation that how we use it, and the highest the confidence, the greater the likelihood like the patient will have the disease on the right, and in other words, the greater the return rates you can expect for given rules. So this is what we get in the example of association analysis in medical field. Thank you.